guys, welcome back to another video of me doing some maintenance on my 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. If you haven't seen my first video where I talk about how I got this car, why I got this car, make sure you go and check it out. Today specifically we're going to be changing out the windshield wipers. So I have the Michelin wipers here. They take the 21 inch from Michelin. It might be different for other brands, so make sure you double check. Yeah, let's just jump right in. Like I said, this is a 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. So I already have the old ones here standing up. Basically what you have to do is there's a little tab in here that you just lift up and the wiper will slide right down and then out. It's this little tab right here. I don't know how well you can actually see it. Okay, let's look off the other side. So with these, you want to stand this up, and this part is going to hook right into this section here. It's just going to slide in there. This one just clips in. There we go. Okay, so these ones, the Michelin ones, they don't specifically have the tab that we pulled to get the other ones off, but this just slides in again. How you change the windshield wipers on 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo, at least for the front windshield wipers. The rear one is different, which I don't have right now, so that will be coming in another video. So make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe, stay tuned, and let me know in the comments what other either maintenance or modifications you guys would love to see on my Jeep Grand Cherokee.